guys, welcome to my channel. This is Camry, and today I'm making this do-it-yourself spring wreath for my mom's birthday, and I use mostly supplies from the Dollar Tree. This is the wreath that I made for my front door, but my mom came and she liked it, so I decided that I was going to make her one for her birthday. So for this project you will need a plain wreath, and I got this one at Walmart, but Dollar Tree is the place to get them. But our Dollar Tree was out. You will need 8 to 12 bunches of flowers depending on the size of your wreath and how bushy you want it. I bought all these flowers at the Dollar Tree, and I try to use coordinating colors. And of course some beautiful flowers for spring. Also, you'll need a hot glue gun with, of course, the glue sticks that go along with that, and some wire cutters for this so that you can cut the flowers off of the stems. And I have this little greenery that I bought at Hobby Lobby a few years ago. You can use that if you want, or if not, then no worries. So I start this project by laying out the wreath, and then I cut all the flowers from the stems, and I usually leave the stems pretty long because you can always go back and trim them later, but if you don't use all the flowers, then you can use them in another project later to keep the stems longer. So now I'm just going to take my time and cut all these flowers off of the stems and get them ready for placement.
Round dust, you're alone or on the run. Well, I can see the fire.
Alright, so now I have the greenery placed and all the flowers cut, so I can just start placing flowers on the wreath how I want them positioned. I like to place the flowers as symmetrical as possible around the wreath, just so that you don't have too many of the same flower in one area.
Kicking round dust, you're alone or on the run. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. You may be a seeker, but I'm a believer, keeping the hope you need. You don't want to load it onto my shoulders to carry all of your fears, but I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, 'cause you make it all through the day. looking for guidance. I can be the hand you reach. Oh, baby, you can lay all onto my shoulders. I'll carry all of your fears, and I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day, sitting on the sidewalk, kicking around West Yard, alone or on the run. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. None of it is gone. 'Cause you make it all through the day, sitting on the sidewalk, kicking around West Yard, alone or on the run. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. The hidden trail in the back of the old barn, past the ivory hill. I remember it just like a photograph, but they say it's haunted now. A million stories from the hole inside the wall, curtains moving with the wind, the crack of porcelain in the middle of the night help to keep the kids away from what used to be the writer's house. She lived alone, never lonely, always someone around. What was real, what was only in her mind. She was a scream without.
Alright, so this is how it looks when I'm all finished. I believe my mom's going to be very happy with this. Thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like videos like this. See you next time. Bye.